I found an amazing AI tool that can generate 10 short videos every 30 seconds. Well, it sounds like a joke, right? But you'll have to believe it, as I want to introduce you to an AI tool called WowTeachWow. It's an automatic short video generator that can create bulk short videos for you. And yes, at the end of the video, I'll tell you a trick on how you can use this tool for free. So watch the video till the end. You'll find the link to this tool in the description below, where you can sign up for free. After signing up, you'll see a dashboard. Like this here, you'll see some social media formats. And on the bottom side, you'll see some other options. Okay, if you go into the product, you'll see that there are two options available here. The first one is idea to video, which I'm about to explain to you. And the second one is the ChatGPT plugin. If you have a ChatGPT Plus plan, you can directly generate videos from ChatGPT using the Wowco plugin. And this feature is quite amazing. So since I don't have a ChatGPT Plus plan right now, I won't delve too deeply into it right now. Let's understand how you can generate short videos in bulk. You can click on the create button here, or you can choose any social media format from these options. So let's click on YouTube Shorts. Right now you'll see an interface like this, which looks similar to ChatGPT. Here at the top, you'll find two models. The first one is Wow Base, and the second one is Wow Ultra. You can generate ultra high quality videos in Wow Ultra, for example. Look at these two videos. The first one was generated in Wow Base, and the second one in Wow Ultra. And you can clearly see the difference. I hope you've understood. So let's first try Wowco Base here. You'll have to give prompts like ChatGPT. But before writing the prompt, you need to pay attention to these two things. First, start by specifying the number of videos you want to make. For example, start with create 10 videos. Remember that you can make a maximum of 10 videos per prompt. Second, define the topic you want to talk about. So your prompt should be something like this, okay? After that, you need to go to settings, and first of all, you have to choose a topic here. You'll find a variety of topics here. You can choose any one. After that, there are plenty of image styles available for the background, so I'll choose this one then. I'll keep the language in English. After this, you'll also find a lot of voiceover styles here with different emotions. I think this is a pretty cool thing, right? I'll choose any one of these voices. After this, there's text here. You can also choose the caption style font and even change the colors. Then make sure you'll need background music. So Wow provides background music for each video topic. You just have to choose the music category. Okay. Before applying, make sure that you'll have 10 credit left per video. After that, apply. And then generate it, so you can see that Wowco is generating videos for us. And it will take a maximum of 30 seconds. Now we have 5 videos ready, and we have 10 credits left in ancient China. The first emperor rose to power amidst whispers of dark magic and forbidden rituals. Legends spoke of his PA with otherworldly beings, granting him dominion over the living and the dead. But with great power comes great sacrifice, and the emperor's thirst for immortality led to unspeakable horrors. The video includes animations, voice, and music. This is the title of the video. This is the description, and these are the hashtags. After connecting your YouTube account, you'll be able to schedule the video for any day and any time frame. Now, if you want to create more realistic videos, you need to switch to Wow Ultra. This time I'll choose a custom prompt. I've generated a short script story regarding the Titanic ship using ChatGPT. So I'll copy and paste it, then repeat the same process and hit generate. So you can see that our short video is ready. You'll notice that this time the quality of the images is quite amazing, and the video looks very beautiful. This is the power of the Wow Ultra model, but remember that this will consume 100 credits per video. Okay, by the way, you can also generate short videos in this without a prompt, using the idea to video method, for example. I'll just write fun fact about Titanic ship and hit generate. You'll see that with just one idea, such a powerful short video is ready. And this video is also created quite well.